Here are the most common reasons why your check engine light has just turned on, and I will save the absolute dumbest for last. You won't believe it. Let's get started. A faulty oxygen sensor is probably one of the most common causes for your check engine light to turn on. It's not the end of the world if it turns on, but it can be a sign of a serious problem. So you want to get that checked and replaced. You can go to any auto repair store. They have something called an OBD diagnostic tool. They plug it in and it tells you the code that is the problem. But a bad oxygen sensor will affect your mileage. It can damage the car if you don't get that replaced, because it could be a sign of another problem, which is a bad catalytic converter, or one that's starting to fail, or even hopefully didn't get stolen. People are stealing catalytic converters because they're worth so much money. Those are two very common causes. You can have bad spark plugs, bad spark plug wires, or even bad ignition coils. All of those will give you usually indicators, either bad gas mileage, misfiring, so you might hear an explosion coming out your tailpipe, or when you're trying to accelerate, the engine will kind of be rough, or it'll idle rough. A failed mass airflow sensor. The mass airflow sensor measures how much oxygen is coming into the engine, and so the computer will adjust the fuel injection to get the best ratio of fuel to gas. Those get dirty over time. You can buy mass airflow sensor cleaner. You just spray it right on, and hopefully that will take care of the problem, because some of these mass airflow sensors can be very expensive. All right, now here's the dumbest reason why your check engine light is on, and it is because your gas cap is either loose or not attached at all, or you have a damaged gas cap. Believe it or not, that will trigger in many modern cars a check engine light. So if it comes on and you have no idea why, go check that. See if it's tight, see if it's even there. That could be the solution. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you want more car repair tips, videos, tricks, all that kind of stuff, click the subscribe button and have a fabulous day. Thanks.